Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Sunday, August 19th, 2018. There have been 13 major earthquakes in the past 6 days, 5 of those occurring yesterday. On the 18th, there was a deep magnitude 8.0 earthquake near the Fiji Islands at a depth of 566 kilometers. This was followed by multiple aftershocks, 2 of them being over a magnitude 6. Also on the 18th, there was a magnitude 6.1 earthquake in New Zealand at a depth of 371 kilometers. And a magnitude 6.3 that hit near Lombok, Indonesia at a depth of 10 kilometers. On the 19th, yet another magnitude 6.9 earthquake hit near Lombok, Indonesia at a depth of 10 kilometers. Casualties are probable and damage reports are coming in now. We will keep you updated on this developing situation. Enhanced activity continues at the Fuego volcano in Guatemala, and heavy rains have caused dangerous volcanic mud flows with hot ash and debris. A new eruption may have been taking place since mid-June at the remote Heard Island volcano off the coast of Australia. A moderate to strong thermal anomaly has been present at the volcano's summit, which could be Strombolian activity, a small lava lake, or new lava flows. Heavy monsoon rains continue in many parts of Thailand, destroying homes and displacing thousands. And heavy rains are expected to continue through the coming weeks. On the 18th, heavy rains caused torrential flooding in southern Yemen. Also on the 18th, several parts of southern Ukraine experienced severe flooding after heavy rainfall. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page. I'm also on Twitch. Just hit the heart to subscribe.